Welcome to this tutorial on tips for Absa Bank Fixed Deposit. A fixed deposit is a type of savings account that allows you to deposit a sum of money for a fixed period of time, earning a fixed rate of interest. To get started, you need to understand the key concepts involved in Absa Bank Fixed Deposit. The first concept is the principal amount, which is the initial amount you deposit into your fixed deposit account. The second concept is the interest rate, which is the rate at which your principal amount earns interest. The third concept is the tenure, which is the period of time for which you deposit your money. When it comes to Absa Bank Fixed Deposit, there are several tips to keep in mind. Firstly, choose the right tenure for your fixed deposit. Absa Bank offers a range of tenure options, from a few months to several years. Choose a tenure that aligns with your financial goals and needs. Secondly, consider the interest rate. Absa Bank offers competitive interest rates on its fixed deposit accounts. However, the interest rate may vary depending on the tenure and principal amount. It is essential to compare the interest rates offered by different banks before making a decision. Thirdly, take advantage of the flexibility offered by Absa Bank Fixed Deposit. You can deposit a lump sum or make regular deposits into your fixed deposit account. You can also withdraw your money before the end of the tenure, although this may attract a penalty. Another important tip is to consider the tax implications of your fixed deposit. The interest earned on your fixed deposit is subject to tax, and you may need to pay tax on your interest earnings. It is essential to understand the tax implications of your fixed deposit and plan accordingly. In conclusion, Absa Bank Fixed Deposit is a great way to save money and earn interest by choosing the right tenure. Considering the interest rate, taking advantage of flexibility, and understanding the tax implications, you can make the most of your fixed deposit account. Remember to always read the terms and conditions of your fixed deposit account and seek advice from a financial expert if you are unsure about any aspect of your account.